Here in this problem, the hoop of mass m is rotating with the angular velocity omega 0. So when it is placed on a rough surface, so this is the rough surface. So when it is placed in a rough surface, then it has a friction will be acting. So let's say the hoop will move in the right hand side direction as we draw here with a velocity v. The friction Fr will be acting opposite to the velocity. So if we consider a point here, so this is the point A. So at this point, the total external torque, so total external torque at this point is 0. Why? The friction is opposite to the direction of the velocity, the linear velocity in this direction. So friction is opposite, and at the same time the friction will try to create a torque, and the same torque will be balanced by the normal force here. So this torque will balance the frictional torque, and therefore the total torque at point A is 0. So this is the main concept here. The total torque at point A is 0. So we are considering the torque, and if the total torque of the point is 0, then the angular momentum remains constant. So if this total torque is 0, then angular momentum at point A is constant. So this is the principle of conservation of angular momentum. Now when it was just rotating initially with angular velocity omega 0, so that time the angular momentum, let's say L0, so angular momentum L0 will be R m v, it is R m omega r, so it is coming m r square omega 0. So this initially, so this is the angular momentum, means the distance into the linear momentum. So here the distance is the radius, so radius into linear momentum. So this is P, linear momentum. So, and you know that V equal to omega r. So we are applying V equal to omega r. So here omega is omega 0, and therefore we get m r square omega 0. So L0 is coming m r square omega 0. So this is the initial angular momentum at point A. Now when it starts rotating and it stops slipping on the surface, means it has a right hand direction velocity, and it will start rotating, and at the same time the point A will also start moving with the velocity v on this direction. So at that time the angular momentum will be L, and if that angular velocity here is omega, the linear velocity v and angular velocity is omega, then the angular momentum L will be m r square omega and as it has a linear velocity v, so same way the total momentum will be, so this is the angular momentum due to the rotational velocity omega, and at it has a linear velocity, so it will have another momentum when it starts rotating, and that linear momentum will be mv, and its angular momentum will be into r, so r into mv. So here also it is coming in that same way. So now this L and this L0, as momentum at the point A is constant, and this is the law of conservation of the angular momentum. If the total torque is 0, so then we can equate these two, and it comes to m r square omega plus m r into v. So now